I really love the vest. Thank you, thank you, thank you to Saint of the Undead. I am willing to go to the United Kingdom to interview you. So yeah, thank you to my team, to the lead designer Saint of the Undead, and yeah, thank you to everyone. So see y'all.
Hey, got some news for you too.
What?
So you have a photo op tomorrow.
With?
Rhea Ripley. Yeah.
Is that what it was for?
Yeah.
I thought it was only an event.
No. So you have a photo op tomorrow with Rhea Ripley, and she's gonna get to see the jacket. She's gonna get to see the boots. So, yeah, you can tell everybody stay tuned.
You're lying.
No, I'm serious.
No, you're lying.
Yeah. I'll show you the confirmation.
I love bubble wraps. You was lying to my face.
What does it say there?
Kid Yeet Media Access Lids Epic Event Photo NYC March 29th, 2026.
Okay. Hold on. What does it say there?
Thursday.
No.
Oh.
Down here. What does it say there? What does it say?
Rhea Ripley.
Okay, what time?
5 o'clock
What does
p.m.
it say? Sunday what?
Sunday,
The date.
2026 at
Sunday what?
3/19/29.
Read the date as you see it there. Read it.
March 29th at 5 o'clock.
Mm-hmm. You have one, and there's another.
So I get 2 photos?
You get one.
Oh, who's the second photo for?
Okay.
Ah. Well, that's some good news. Well, thank you to everyone who helped to get this and the boots happen. And yeah, I'm going to catch y'all tomorrow and Monday. So I'm out. It's me, Kid Yeet, and I'm out. Yeet.